will straight get into the meeting today. Today, the meeting is going to be run by our beloved distinguished Toastmaster, Dr. Sundararaman Chintamani. If I have to relate something with Sundar is something, I always admire the multifaceted personality he is always. Either be it politics, either be it, I don't even recollect the exact phrases, what he uses for the talents he portrays, right from to be simplify about, the stamp collection, I don't know what name he bring it again. Likewise, umpteen things I could, if I have to pick up something, I just go to his website and pick up something as a skill. That's the kind of person he is, and always brings kind of a newest, he has that courage to take something new and test it at our club. And I am pleasure to associate with him for almost end of 10th year by this June end. Since beginning I joined as a member. I'll always proud to say he was the VP membership when I took up my Toastmasters membership in this fraternity, part of Medley Toastmasters Club. With this, I would welcome Sundararaman to take it forward with our meeting today. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Satish, for that wonderful and warm introduction. Good morning, Miracles. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Right. I am extremely delighted to be the Toastmaster of the day. So, though this meeting is happening virtually, so the job of our Toastmaster of the day is to ensure that the energy level is maintained and also try to come out with a theme. So, of course, theme for Toastmaster meeting is not a mandatory thing, but to make our meetings interesting, we come out with a theme. So, today I thought of using this theme known as a persuasive mindset or persuasion mindset as the theme. I think some of you have already completed your CC journey in traditional path, right? So because ours is a senior club and advanced Toastmaster club. So can someone quickly point out what is the difference between Project 9 and Project 10 in a CC manual? Badri, do you recollect? Satish?
All I recollected is I took 2 attempts to clear my CC10, and that too in front of the whole audience of my Toastmasters club.
I not on the same day. Not on the same day.
No. It took me 2 attempts. I failed the first attempt.
I see that CC10 is more about questioning the status quo, and CC9 is call for action.
It is CC9 is persuade with power, and CC10. Difference between CC9 and 10 is going for the push is 9 and calling for action is 10.
Okay, slightly different. Your responses were partially right. So the title of Project 9 is persuasive speaking, and the 10 is inspirational speaking. So inspirational speaking, generally at the end, the speaker does not call for action. So automatically the audience get inspired. So the speaker is narrating an incident where a person protagonist, either the speaker himself or the hero of the story, is in point A at the beginning of the story and point B at the end of the story. So in between, some transformation has happened. So he or she might have used a process, and the process is explained with the ultimate passion by the speaker, and automatically the audience get inspired. Okay, if A is doing or B is doing, why not me? So that is the whole gist of Project 10, inspiration speaking. But the previous Project 9 is slightly different, which is known as persuasive speaking. Here at the end, you are calling for action. You are asking some people to, you are persuading people to do something. And one important thing is in Project 9 is you have to use logic as well emotion. So all people are not logically brained. All people are not emotionally brained. Some people are more towards emotion. Some people are more towards emotion. And the same person also dynamically they change their mindset. At one point of time they will use their brain, and the next moment they will use their heart. So we have to tackle all this kind of audience, mixed audience. So once you are able to crack this secret, then you will be able to achieve your goal by persuading and calling for action. So with that, let me stop here, and probably going forward, I will explain how this can be done with certain techniques. So today, the agenda. So So the very first step of today's meeting is round robin session. To conduct round robin session, do we have Toastmaster Shankar, or is there any change, last minute change in the agenda?
No, sir. We can move forward with the next segment, sir.
Right. So the next segment is going to be our own USP of Meraki Toastmaster Club, so which is nothing but the management book review. And Toastmaster Jayati is ready with a pen and paper to do the doodles for the management book